Hi everyone, I'm Slayer. Today I'll show you how to convert JPG to PDF. I'll show you two different methods. If you're ready, let's get started. Our method 1 is the simplest and fastest. We right-click on the file we want to convert to PDF and select the print option. The important point here is that you need to select Microsoft Print to PDF in the printer section. As you can see, you can also change the size and quality as you wish. Once you have adjusted it as you wish, click Print and Save. Our PDF file has been converted successfully. Let's check it. Successful. Now let's try method 2. In this method, we will use Canva's online converter. I will add the link in the description section of the video. Click the Upload Your Image button and select the JPG file you want to convert to PDF and upload it. After the conversion process is completed, the download button will be active. Converted and downloaded successfully. Let's check. I hope you found a how to convert JPG to PDF tutorial helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.